Indonesia is thousands of islands with a lot of coastland. But right now, there's about 40% less of that.
Mangroves have evolved over millions of years to protect 250 million people from shoreline erosion, as well as the effects from climate change. Large root systems basically attenuate the wave surges from hurricanes. Nature-based removals are so much more than about the carbon. What we do at ClimeCo is provide projects that really touch every facet of the communities we work with. This project in particular, I think it restores not just nature, it restores an ability for these people to have a source of revenue, to really be incentivized to continue to protect these mangroves. Our largest collaborator is Biakopi. They're a local NGO here in Indonesia. They assess the best places with the highest likelihood of success for mangrove reforestation. The communities essentially have villagers go out collecting papagoals, bring them back to the villages where they've built these large nurseries. When they're large enough to make it on their own, the villagers will actually transport these all back to the reforestation sites. What we're doing here was not just about kind of affecting one person's life or two people's lives, but it was an entire village. The fact that it's built upon making sure that everybody wins. To see it in person is just incredibly moving for me. We're trying to bring back the balance that we've lost with nature. Our role at ClimeCo is we provide the horsepower to make this possible.
Underneath all of these projects, it's really about the people making it happen.
Good business today will have long-lasting effects for communities and for the environment for generations to come. And that's what we're all about.